Hi, this is Rob with SalesPad. In this video, we're going to cover some of the details of the authentication process in SalesPad. First, I'd like to mention that the user IDs that SalesPad uses are not the same ones that are used in Dynamics GP. SalesPad has its own layer of usernames and security that rides separate from that, and also separate from the layer that's provided by SQL Server. Before we log in, we have to set up a connection. You'll see that I have a connection set up to my local machine, and we can do this by clicking either the plus button to add a new connection, where we can type in a name to name it something meaningful, then go ahead and choose a server, use the SQL Server authentication method to specify the SA user and password, and again this is the SA user that belongs to the SQL Server. This is not necessarily the same as the SA user in Dynamics GP, and it's not the same as the SA user in SalesPad. So just a word of caution there. Those are three separate SA accounts. Finally, after that is typed in, then we can go ahead and choose our company database. I'm going to cancel out, and I'm going to go and edit my local connection. So to do that, you can see that I have my connection selected, and then I can go ahead and click on the edit button, which are these three dots, and you can see here I have my connection name, which is just simply a logical name that I can go by, and then after that I have my server name, which is my local machine, followed by an instance, and then finally I have the SQL SA password, SQL SA user and SA password. With those fields filled in, I can access my databases from that list. So with those details covered, then I can log into SalesPad. The first time logging in, I would have to use the SA user and SA password, but since I've already set this up, I can just go ahead and use my Windows login because I have it set up in the security editor. I have my username, Rob R, set up as a SalesPad user, not necessarily as a GP user, but I do have this username configured in SalesPad. So just to recap, this video covers the difference between a SalesPad login and a Dynamics Great Plains login, and please also be sure to check out our other videos to help you troubleshoot any login problems that you might have. Thanks again, and this is Rob with SalesPad.